What up guys, Crypto Ether here, back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice, always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. That being said, huge Bitcoin update for you guys today. Before we jump into any of that though, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. I talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, pretty much anything cryptocurrency related that needs attention. We're definitely covering it here on the channel, so do stay subscribed, right? And at the end of today's video, if you do enjoy the content, smash that like button down. Really does help out the channel a ton, guys. And everybody that smashes that like button, I appreciate you so much for showing love here on the channel. That being said, let's jump into today's article. It reads, will Bitcoin price surpass $55,000 next week? I definitely believe so. I think with the approval of these spot Bitcoin ETFs possibly happening next week, we can definitely pass 55,000, right guys? I think it just really depends on those approvals, right? We're talking the BlackRock approval, Grayscale, ARC21 shares, like the biggest asset managers in the world, guys. This is going to be huge for Bitcoin, so only time will tell. But let's jump into this article and see what they have to say, right? So over the past 5 weeks, the Bitcoin price has been highly volatile, indicating the market participants are waiting for the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Despite making notable swings in the daily chart, the price movement is confined within a channel pattern, projecting a shallow recovery. Here's how the pattern could foretell the near-term future for this asset, right? So will the Bitcoin price surpass $50,000 in January? The Bitcoin price may remain sideways until the channel pattern is intact. A bullish breakout from the upper trend line will intensify the buying momentum. And the intraday trading volume in Bitcoin is 17.4 billion, indicating a 15% loss. And then you have this chart here, right guys? And they're just showing you these trend lines. So I know that's a lot to take in. A lot of you guys are not technical analysis people, so a lot of that stuff probably sounds foreign, but just let me break it down. Essentially, a lot of these big financial asset managers are trying to get into Bitcoin, essentially, right? And the SEC is supposedly going to approve them by next week, and we're going to see that either happen or not happen. Now, if it does happen, chances are we break above these trend lines that this chart is showing you, and if we don't, it's more likely that we go below these trend lines and a correction happens from the recent uptick, right? So that's kind of what this article is saying. I hope that helped you understand it a bit easier, right? So the recovery trend the recovery trend in leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin started losing momentum in December of 2023, which tilted its trajectory nearly sideways below 45,000. This consolidation could be attributed to the uncertainty around the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. A look at the daily time frame chart shows the consolidation developed into a channel pattern consisting of two parallel walking trend lines. The coin price rebounded several times from this dynamic resistance, and support indicates the traders have taken strict note of this structure, right? So, and this quote says, by the press time, the Bitcoin price traded at 44,333 with an intraday gain of 0.4%. Moreover, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, is showing signs of progressing towards approving the first U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs, evidenced by the submission of the amended 19B-4 filings from multiple exchanges. Thus, the Bitcoin price is more likely to break the overhead trend line, which would signal the upcoming direction rally. The post-breakout rally may push prices to 52,100 followed by 60,000. Alternatively, a breakdown below the lower trend line would signal a new correction phase. So again, guys, they're just breaking down what I was saying. If these spot Bitcoin ETFs do get approved, it's likely we break above the trend lines, and if they don't, it's likely a correction happens, right? So just know that I'm going to keep you guys in tune and informed on if and when these spot Bitcoin ETFs are approved. I'm really keeping my fingers crossed, guys, but again, only time will tell. So do make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you can get notified, right? I'm going to be covering all of this stuff, guys. I cover Bitcoin every day here on the channel, so I won't take up any more of your time. I hope everybody had a great weekend out here. I hope everybody has a great week, and we'll just catch you guys tomorrow. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.